Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Saturday, June 18th. I'm going to try something new today. I moved my microphone inside my helmet. I'm not a motovlogger and I don't plan on being a motovlogger, but I figured I'd just try and record a little bit while I'm riding over to the Busted Knuckle Stunt Tour over at Patriot Harley Davidson and see what happens. So I don't really expect too much to come of this footage, but I'm going to record a little anyways. It's a perfect day for riding motorcycles. As most of you guys know, we have Cone Camp every Sunday at the Fairfax County Government Center. During the summer, actually during most of the year, it's officially 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. but there is usually someone there 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, and then sometimes we stay till 1 p.m. So we try and keep everyone updated with the times on a weekly basis on our Facebook groups. Our two Facebook groups are Nova Slow Speed and Nova Cone Camp. So if you're not a member of those groups and you want to be in the know about Cone Camp practices, trainings in the DMV area, Northern Virginia area, I suggest joining those groups and keeping an eye out for posts and updates. So everyone's always welcome at Cone Camp. Doesn't matter what kind of bike you ride, male, female, young, old, beginner, experienced. There's something there for everyone. There's no judgment. Nobody's gonna make fun of you. The only thing that we ask is leave the egos at the door. Come try and learn and have fun, and if you know something, do a little teaching. It's also a great place just to meet people that possibly want to ride with outside of Cone Camp. I know for me, I don't trust riding with a lot of motorcyclists. There's only a select few people I care to ride with, so I tend to choose the people that I see practicing and working on their skills: emergency braking, swerving, slow speed controls, taking classes, investing in gear. Those are the kind of people I tend to hang with, but to each their own. And it looks like we're 5 minutes away now, so not really much of a talker, so this is why I am not a motovlogger. Hopefully you guys enjoy the slow speed content. I try to create the best content I can. It is quite a bit of work, and I know there's a lot of people that appreciate watching the videos as well as being in the videos. My thought was that when I'm old and I no longer can ride motorcycles, I want to be able to look back and remember some of the stuff I've done on two wheels. And that's the whole reason that I started the whole YouTube thing, and the whole reason I will continue to do it. Yep, here it is. All right, thank you. What's up, Phil?
How you doing, brother?
Good, man. How are you?
Pretty good. I'm gonna take a photo.
What's that? You can, you know what I did on the way over here?
What's that?
You know what I did on the way over here?
What?
I'm still in the process of doing.
Oh, recording?
Yeah, first Moto-vlog.
Oh, nice. Congratulations, man.
Well,
You got the media adapter on there and everything.
yeah, so we'll see how it turns out. I don't like the way I sound when I talk, so it made...
Fine, man. I like I said before, you needed a mic a long time ago, man.
Yeah.
One video you did talk in,
Yeah.
it did great.
Yeah. So we'll see how this does. I might go home and just cut it all up and throw it in the garbage, but...
Nah, man. Right. Fake it until you make it. Just push that bitch through and put it online, man.
Yeah. Hey, I thought I saw Bjorn here.
He is here. I was just talking to him. We were taking pictures of shit. He kind of disappeared a second.
Let's introduce these riders. All the way from Phoenix, Arizona, our rookie rider of the year, Gino. Let's hear it for Gino, everybody. All right. All the way from Little Rock, Arkansas, the owner and operator of Bust a Knuckle Stunt Tour, the #1 All-American Beachman Tour, King Tony! There it is, one-handed really all the way down for you. Now let's count down. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Just left the Busted Knuckles stunt show. It's pretty cool. Definitely a different kind of thing than you guys are going to be used to seeing on my channel. So I don't even know how much of it I'm going to post on there, but coming up on a cool little town called Clifton. Many people, if you live in Northern Virginia, probably either driven through this town or heard of it. But anytime I go pick up my daughter, go to and from Cone Camp, I always come this way just because it's beautiful. Nice little small town, relaxing, slow paced. Just very enjoyable. You do have to watch out for people though, because they do like to cross this double yellow line here on these back roads back here. That's one thing I'm always extra cautious about. Probably one of the smallest towns you're ever going to see. Literally like 2 blocks long. But it takes you through here and through some nice twisty roads. If I get lucky, which I won't, this person will go straight at the red light. They never go straight though. They always go the same way that I'm going. See what she's doing. Let's go straight, Granny. Let's go straight, Granny. No, don't turn left. Don't turn left. Ah! Ah! Always. I'll be stuck behind this person. Well, thanks for joining me on my first moto-vlog, guys, gals, and everyone in between. Probably won't be doing a lot of these. I'll probably never do another one again, but at least I can say I tried. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Hope I see you all at Cone Camp tomorrow, sometime in the near future. Ride safe till next time.